Yeah, it's like I think back on building a custom, I worked on a custom sauna. It was just beautiful. I made these little grids, interlocking grids with little U's that you had to slip in and then you glued them together and no nails. It was all glued together, waterproof glue, and they fit windows. And like it took a long time. And everything just had to be perfect. And especially the floor ones they put on the floor and the windows because they're going to be touching them a lot. And they didn't want slivers. So you had to make sure there's no slivers. And like you took the time because you didn't want the person to get hurt. You did it for somebody else so easy. But for yourself, you didn't even think about it. You just don't put a schedule together because, well, it's me. I don't need one. No, we all need help in that department. We all need accountability. And the cool thing about the construction trade, though, there's more joy than pain. There's more, there's more memories amongst the workers and the effect it has on them than there is sad times. Yeah, there's always the hard, the sucky part like we started with. But day in and day out, they bring that flavor and that love that no one else can bring, and they bring it to the commercial world, they bring it to the residential, they bring it to the industrial and the maintenance, and they just bring it with whole hearts. And you see it every day with the vans driving around and the people bringing it in and showing up on time